How you doing, brother? You remember me? Hey, we got to talk to you real quick about something. Do you mind putting your stuff down on the ground real quick? Appreciate it. Remember last time you were like cuff up? I just need to put some cuffs on you real quick.
Why?
I'll tell you in a sec, all right?
For what?
I'll let you know in a sec.
I ain't did nothing. I just got here.
Okay, I get it. I get it.
I'm not cuffing up. I'm not cuffing up.
Hey. Okay. Well, we have to talk about something, okay?
Would you want
and
to
I'm
walk
telling
with
you.
us to our car and then we can... Okay.
Why is that? What's going on? Can you talk to me?
I've been here all day. I've been at the park.
Okay.
If there was an issue, I would have came up here a long time ago.
Okay. Well, we need to talk to you about something, and I'm being reasonable with you. We have to talk about something regarding your PRCS status.
Why would you pull over a car and then come up here?
I didn't pull over a car.
You guys did pull over a car. Then you guys came up here. I watched you guys.
No car pulled over. Well,
Please, let's just make this effortless.
you stay here?
I don't want this to escalate at all. All right. Are you aware that you might have a small warrant?
Are you aware that it's less than the middle of the night?
That doesn't matter. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Do not. Do not. Okay,
What are you doing?
I'm asking you, can you please think of...
stop.
Stop walking.
Lay your weapons down, sir!
Put your hands out.
This is a federal officer!
Put your hands up.
No! Do not
Stop.
do that! Stop!
Stop.
Down, sir!
No.
I don't have a fucking weapon!
Stop.
I don't have no fucking
I don't care.
You know that!
Get on the ground! Get
Stop.
on the ground!
That's the shit
Get
I'm
on.
talking
How am I supposed to know that?
That's the fucking shit I'm talking about, man! That's why I didn't...
Come here.
I didn't even
No.
have nothing!
No.
I'm scared I'm gonna do nothing!
I'm not saying you did. Okay.
I'm not here!
Relax. I'm sorry. Okay. Not armed.
Stop walking!
Relax.
Get on the
Relax.
ground!
On the ground. On the ground.
I didn't do nothing!
Relax.
I haven't smoked nothing or nothing! Listen to me! Listen!
Hold on,
didn't-
calm
I
down,
didn't-
calm down.
Relax.
You guys don't understand it. I didn't do nothing. I haven't used nothing.